morning, students. Today we will discuss about types of graph. So what is the simple graph? A graph which has neither loop nor parallel edges is called simple graph. For example, this AB, B to C, C to D, D to B, A to EC. So above graphs are the simple graphs. This graph is also simple graph. Then is the general graph and also called multigraph. A graph which has either loop or parallel edge or both is called the general graph or a multigraph. So here A, B, C, D, here is a loop, here are the parallel edges, okay, here is a loop. So these both graphs are multigraph or general graph. Then complete graph, a simple graph in which there exists an edge between every pair of vertices is called complete graph. It is also known as universal graph. So here are two vertices, there is a single edge. Here are the three vertices and each vertex has the edge. This one, this one, this one. Here, so here is also a complete graph. This is also complete because every vertex is connected with another vertex. And a complete graph with n vertices is usually denoted by kn, and a complete graph has cn2 edges. Okay, then the weighted graph. Let G, V, E be any graph. W is E to R be a function from edge set A to the set of real numbers R. Then the graph G is V, E, omega, in which each edge is assigned a number called the weight of the edge and is known as the weight graph. For example, A to B has the edge having weight 1.5, A to C has the edge having weight 2.5, B to D has the edge having weight 1.2, C to D have two edges and with the different weight 2.7 and 3.1, okay, and B to B has the weight 3.2. Okay, so these are the parallel edges having different weights. So the above graph is a weighted graph and each edge is assigned with the number. Then is the finite graph. A graph GVE is called a finite graph if the vertex set V is a finite set. And infinite graph is a graph in which if vertex set V is an infinite set. So this is the finite graph and this is the infinite graph. Then is the order of a graph. Let G be the graph with number of vertices denoted by Vg is called the order of G. Trivial graph, null or empty graph. A trivial graph is the graph with one vertex with no edge, and empty graph is the graph with no vertices and no edges. Then edges in series. When two edges in a graph have exactly one vertex in common and this vertex is of degree 2, then two edges are said to be in the series. For example, this one, E1, E2, E3, then E4, E5, E6. E1, E2 are in the series where E2, E3 are not in the series. Okay, so then the acyclic graph. A cyclic graph is a complete graph which does not have any cycle. No loop exists in such graph. So this is the acyclic graph. Okay, here is no loop and no cycle is there. In the next video we will do the degree in a graph. So thank you very much for liking, subscribing and sharing my channel. Thank you so much.